Hi guys, this is Ryan Grant, content specialist with Banish Suppressors, and today we're doing a quick video on the Banish 9K to ensure that it works in your handgun and cycles reliably. Now, the Banish 9K is a suppressor that does not require a Nielsen device or booster to function. But as such, there are a couple tips and tricks to make sure it cycles reliably 100% of the time on your handgun. The first tip is ensuring your handgun barrel threads are clean and that the suppressor is tightened down well onto the barrel before shooting. Make sure your handgun is oiled, especially around the recoil spring and the barrel. Ensure there is no resistance or drag when you cycle the slide of your handgun manually. The second tip is ensuring you're working with a broken end handgun. Make sure you fired at least 500 rounds through your handgun before trying it with the 9K. Broken end handguns work best with suppressors. Thirdly, make sure you're shooting with 124 grain or 147 grain ammunition. 115 grain can work on suppressed handguns, but it may not cycle reliably 100% of the time. Lastly, stock recoil springs may cause issues with the 9K. In testing, we found that 15-pound aftermarket recoil springs do best with the 9K and cycle the most reliably. But you may need to go as low as 11 pounds or 13 pounds. In other words, like any firearm system, it all depends on personal testing. If you're still finding that you're having issues with your 9K after trying these tips and tricks, don't hesitate to contact our product specialists by visiting the link at the bottom of this page. Thank you for watching.